in Miami. Getting ready to go link up with somebody to do a video, so make sure y'all go ahead and like this video, drop whatever color emoji. When the video is over with, come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. Go ahead and give y'all this cold start. Everybody else. My car is dirty. I was gonna wipe it off before I left the hotel, but it started raining there.
You got the Cowboys, and you like, you know what, let him go on the Cowboys.
So he put his hat on too.
Howdy, how you doing?
I'm alright. Hey, you wanna shout out anything?
Oh man, hey man, Cowboys the Drans, you know what I'm saying, War Machine, Speed Mob. Hey, that's what we do. Right here.
Shout it out.
What's going on? What's the guy doing something, man? We over here in Miami. You know what I'm saying? She said she's gonna come down and check me out. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, we brought the toys out. Wasn't too much people that came out because it's a work day. You know what I'm saying?
Today's a Wednesday.
It's Wednesday. Yeah,
Wednesday morning.
We work. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
You want to shout out anything?
Hey man, y'all go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Mr. Godbrother, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? We taking this to another level. You know what I'm saying? Came out here, I was like, you know what? I couldn't let you leave without you seeing me. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, you know what? Let's do it, guys. You know what I'm saying?
That's the name of y'all crew, Speed Mob?
Speed Mob, yeah, get that. You know what I'm saying? We're doing them on the mention. That's the president, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead, President, say something for him real quick, man. Hey, man, we here, man. We just want to show you love. Welcome to Florida. And we here.
You want to shout out Instagram anything?
Well, I got a wild, my Instagram is Widebody. Widebody_Rudeboy 707.
Either lowered or on bags. Hey, this on bags or it's lowered? Lower and spray.
When I got it from the dealership, when I got it from the dealership, I already had it custom made and everything.
Alright.
I gotta watch the way I drive. It's like I had a Daytona. Daytona was lowered. I used to go to Palm because it was so low. Now I got to be extra careful, but this one loaded.
Basically, you hit them dilts in the road.
I hit so many things, I'm like, damn. And for every time I hit something, I'm like, do I go get a new car? I don't know. But, you know, first time, okay, owner. Looking forward to owning the red eye Charger, Widebody. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I like your car though. Like, how long you have it?
So, you're wiping down the car for me.
Hey, I'm charged for this goddamn, you know what I'm saying?
You say what?
He serves the same for I'm charged for this goddamn.
Charge?
Yeah.
Charge it to the Instagram.
She took it out, she talking about something. I'm gonna wipe it down. I said, no. You give it to me, I'm gonna wipe it down first, goddamn.
So some subscribers pulled up, y'all. What's up? How you doing?
Good.
You want to shout out something? You gonna be on YouTube?
You on YouTube?
Follow me on Instagram, RedEyeSRT. I came out here with my sister. She came and supported me. I didn't know this was real.
You didn't know it was real? What you think about the car?
It's so nice. Oh my God.
What's up, little man?
Carlito. You on her YouTube?
You gonna be on YouTube? You wanna say something?
I'm good.
You good? What you think about the car?
I like it.
You like it?
Oh, you got air.
So rev it up.
didn't know how to do it. I said, you gonna learn today, goddamn.
Hey, guys.
What?
Oh, shit.
They gonna put us in the parking lot.
How that feel? How that feel? Loud?
Yeah, oh my God. Because I know y'all don't live, you live here?
I live here.
Okay, I have to follow you on YouTube and Instagram.
That's
I know I follow her.
that's my car.
The red one?
That's real what it is. Real what it is.
Yeah, that's how you know.
You wanna take a picture together?
Huh?
Wanna take a picture together?
Yeah.
They love the car.
Yeah, we always have a car show. Actually, this Saturday, we have an event called Guilty. Right there on the hill by Widebody.
Oh, okay, yeah. Like, who is she?
Give me a test drive.
Oh, for real. I'm like, who is this girl you keep telling me about? He like, the girl with the slime. I'm like,
So you trying to tell me you follow her and you was waiting for her to come down or whatever to meet her? And she get a date.
I didn't know she was here until my mom said it was a surprise, and I said for her, and then she took me a ride, and I didn't know it was it.
Yeah, I didn't know she was here.
no, I knew she was here because I was talking to her.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, I
okay.
didn't know
You
it was
didn't
her.
tell him.
Yeah, I just didn't tell him because, to be honest, I wasn't sure for sure she was gonna come here. You know how people do.
Yeah,
And I'm like, I'm not gonna tell him because then he get excited, he gonna be disappointed.
Right?
And I was surprised. I'm like, holy shit.
She was on the
I'm
driver's seat
so
shaking with the
surprised.
music blasting. Yeah.
You ready to go for that test drive now?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, Lord.
Quarter. You got, how about to say, dang, you got to use 2 cameras. You gonna go down that way and come right back.
Alright. Hold on. Where you press the start at?
I think it's already recorded.
Oh, yeah, it's recording already. Yeah. Hold on. Woo.
Don't worry, he gonna take it for a test drive.
This is 2020, right?
21.
Yeah, 21. This junk ain't playing.
Hey, I know that boy happy.
He is. He's real happy. That's gonna be his dream come true.
I didn't know that you contacted her.
So my brother, he was diagnosed with cancer, leukemia.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
The one that she got in the car. It's leukemia, ALL or something. I'm not really sure of the thing or whatever, but when he was a newborn. But once he got before he got 2 years old, it went into remission. So ever since then, it's been in remission. So I've always wanted to do something special like this for him.
Okay.
You know, so I made it happen.
Yeah,
But he's good now. It's been in remission and it never came back.
That's good. That's good.
Thank God for that.
This tough. You came all the way from North Carolina, huh?
All the way.
She came from all the way from North Carolina, man. This is crazy.
videos, huh?
I didn't even imagine that. Dang, this is crazy. Everybody gonna be taking pictures too. This is crazy. Damn. I was thinking of buying a Daytona, but shoot, I'm gonna cop this out. I was gonna get a Daytona, but I'm gonna get this.
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
16?
16?
Yeah.
By the time you turn 18, you're gonna want something different.
Yeah.
What about a Hellcat?
Hellcat?
Mm-hmm.
They good.
They good?
Yeah, but they ain't louder than this Scat right here. Dang.
So, you know, if you had some license, I wouldn't let you drive.
I know I got a Florida ID, but I ain't got the license. Yeah.
Dang.
Bro, if I would have had a license, I would have held that wheel so good.
You probably would have floored it, huh?
Huh?
You would have floored it.
I would have hit that donut and slotted it.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm talking about that type.
Oh, you gonna go crazy.
Yeah. When
Okay.
I get this car off the dealership, I'm gonna slide it.
On the dealership?
Yeah.
Okay. They gonna kick you out of there.
Hey, this is crazy. That's crazy.
How was that?
That was crazy.
Good?
Yeah. I really needed that one. Dang.
Yeah, so you know when those kind of kids that been sick and stuff and been through a lot, it's always good to try and do something that make them, that make them feel, better about themselves.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? What man, what you got to say, man? Oh, you all shy. I know he not that shy at home. I know. Hey, boy,
He gonna tag this to your mom and that you got to talk.
Yeah, you better talk. I know you. I know you bad.
You like cars, right? Don't you like cars? Huh?
Hey, man.
What kind of cars you like?
So Slime went ahead and gave me her camera. Record for her. So you know what I'm saying? I'm taking over this segment right now. It ain't gonna be Slime, it's me, guys. It's just goddamn. But she took a little man on a test drive, waiting for her to turn back around. Hopefully she do put this in the video. You know what I'm saying? If she don't, I'll be mad, but it's alright. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see we got the Hellcats in the back of us. You know what I'm saying? She said she's coming down here. And I was like, you know what? You gotta, because what it is, I want to start doing a lot of YouTube videos with females. So, you know what I'm saying, to put them out there. And it's just gonna be fun. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure she edited this out. If you see this right now, you probably gonna edit it out. But you know what I'm saying, I'm just talking for the time being. Sun is hot. Well, hey, so tell them where you from.
Huh?
Where you from? Tell them where you from.
From Miami, Florida.
You live down? You live down there?
We live here in Hollywood.
Okay, so it wasn't too bad. So how did you contact her?
No, Instagram.
Oh, okay. So
my brother started following her, then he had me started following her, and I just started liking her stuff.
Okay.
Watching her videos. I even made comments. I even supposed to buy him one of her t-shirts too.
Okay.
Because I want to support. Because I know that's somebody he really like, and she can really inspire him to making sure he finished school. So he can have these kind of cars. Because you got to finish school, you got to have a good job. And, you got to do something. You can't be a bum.
Something.
Yeah, you have to have money to get those kind of cars. So but that's how I contact her on Instagram. She's really nice. She's a really nice person. And I like that she responds. You know how you inbox somebody and they'll respond.
Yeah, I'm the same way too. So
you gotta respond
yeah, because a lot of people don't understand. The fans is what will get you here. So you can't forget about the fans. That's why I try to respond to everybody.
Yeah, that's
Everybody.
Yeah. And sometimes if she can't get to her, it'll be like later on, but so what? That's
How was that, boy?
That was crazy.
That was good? I said, whoop. Boy, I can't wait till you get one, boy.
I'll get one.
You know what I'm saying?
I'll get one.
You gonna get one?
Hey, who taught you how to drive?
My mama.
Your mom. Your mom got a what kind of car your mom got?
Not one of these. I taught my own self how to drive a mopar.
Ooh.
Oh, and YouTube.
So what car you think you get next?
Next. I really don't even know.
Please tell me I don't know what I want next. It's either the Hellcat Red Eye Widebody Charger or the Hellcat Durango.
Hellcat Durango?
Yeah, but the thing is, my goal is to have them have one of each. Have one of each and wrap them.
That was my thing. I wanted to, my one that was wrecked.
Yeah.
Keep that, then get a Hellcat, get a Challenger, all that. Just have a whole, fleet.
Yeah.
Mopar. It was gonna be the slime pack.
Yeah, like the actual slime pack.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I think that's my next move. I'm gonna go ahead and get a whole bunch of them.
And it's starting to rain.
Yeah.
But the car is straight pipe. The cats is still there. See, I have no check engine light. The cats are just gutted.
But the thing is, I heard once you do that, you lose power.
I run my dyno on my screen.
Okay.
I don't see no power loss. It shows the same results as before I had it
Okay.
and without it. Then a lot of people say you get more airflow to your engine now.
Oh, with the cats being on?
Yeah.
I ain't know that.
I mean, you get so many. You got YouTube mechanics.
You got so much shit. You don't know which one. If you really gotta do it yourself
Right.
to know what's going on.
Everybody is a mechanic when it comes to a car,
You know what I'm saying?
especially on YouTube.
Yeah. You got YouTubers that go on mechanics that go on YouTube just to fix some shit. I'm like, yo, I don't need you working on my car. You tripping? The guy was like, he was trying to put in a catch can. I see you pull out this one and you told me like, yo, no. It was funny, but it was serious. You ain't for work on my car.
Right.
But that shit, hell no. You gotta know what you got going on, man.
But what I was saying is like, you have people in the comment section saying you're supposed to do this, do that. Really, they don't know. They just going off what they heard other people say.
Yeah. Cause see, me, the reason why I'm into cars is because my dad's a mechanic, my uncle's a mechanic, and my granddad is a mechanic. So it's like I already had a passion for these cars.
Right.
Like Fast and Furious was like my favorite. It's still my favorite movie of all time. So it's like.
What about going in 60 seconds?
What?
You ever seen that, going in 60 seconds?
No, I ain't see that.
You gotta see that.
And then on top of that, now that I'm actually like, this is like my fifth mopar. So now that I have a chance to actually live the life that I always wanted, it's like, I'm gonna go hard all day.
As you should.
You know what I'm saying? But North Carolina, you say North Carolina, right? We gotta come down there. I have to make a trip. Yeah, that's the drive. Boy. And I ain't seen that. I know you ain't doing nothing yet.